Right, hello again. We're talking about tools and taking care of tools. This is episode 2 in what might become a long-winded series. Let's see. Today we're talking about Japanese saws. Beautiful things, fabulous things. My favourite saws in the whole wide world. Designed to cut on the pull stroke, not the push stroke, unlike Western saws. And they have beautifully fine, thin blades and very, very sharp teeth. But this is what happens. Okay, so starting up here, this is what the teeth are meant to look like. Bunch of little sharp teeth. Oh look, there's a tip missing. That's not good. Oh, hang on. Couple more tips missing. That's not good either. Oh, couple more. Good heavens, there's a whole chunk missing right there. There's another chunk missing and about 3 tips. Oh, and look what happens when we get up here. Man, look at that. Completely mangled. Someone asked me the other day, how does that happen, Andrew? Well, you tell me. I've had some of these saws last for years and years and years. But lately, they've been getting smashed. So, let's take care of our Japanese saws. The beautiful fine tools. And I can't imagine how the teeth get smashed like that. Sometimes I find them turned at right angles. They don't need a lot of pressure. You just need to let the saw do the work. They'll cut really, really fast. But they shouldn't be banged into the bench or banged into the vise or knocked against anything, because that's how the teeth get snapped off. Anyway, onward and upward.